What's up, everybody? It's 240X Humor, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of robotics. We're talking cutting-edge tech, mind-blowing innovations, and a sneak peek into the future where robots will be everywhere. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're about to explore the key components and latest advancements in robot technology. This is gonna be epic. First up, let's break down the nuts and bolts of robots. The hardware. We're talking actuators, which are like the muscles of robots, allowing them to move and groove. Then there are sensors, the robot's senses, giving them the ability to see, touch, and feel the world around them. And of course, we can't forget about the materials. From lightweight metals to super strong composites, these materials give robots their unique form and function. Imagine building a robot from scratch. You'd need strong, durable materials for its frame, powerful motors for movement, and sensors to help it navigate. It's like putting together a high-tech puzzle, but instead of a picture, you end up with a machine that can do incredible things. Now, hardware is cool and all, but it's the software that really makes a robot tick. We're talking algorithms, code, and control systems, the brains of the operation. This is where things get really interesting because software gives robots the power to navigate complex environments, perceive objects, and even make decisions. Think of it like this: the hardware is the body, but the software is the brain. It's the software that tells the robot how to move its arms, how to interpret data from its sensors, and how to react to different situations. It's like teaching a robot to think. But hold on, it gets even cooler. Enter AI and machine learning, the dynamic duo taking robots to a whole new level. Thanks to AI, robots can learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and even predict the future, well, sort of. It's like giving robots a crash course in being super intelligent. Imagine a robot that can learn from its mistakes, just like humans. That's the power of AI and machine learning. With every task it performs, the robot gets a little bit smarter, a little bit more efficient. It's like having a robot apprentice that's constantly learning and improving. Now, let's talk about how robots experience the world around them. Sensors are the key. Just like we rely on our five senses, robots use sensors to gather information. Cameras act as their eyes, allowing them to see objects and navigate their surroundings. Touch sensors give them a sense of touch, while proximity detectors help them avoid obstacles. Imagine a self-driving car, for example. It uses cameras to see the road, radar to detect other vehicles, and LiDAR to create a three-dimensional map of its surroundings. All these sensors work together to give the car a complete understanding of its environment, allowing it to navigate safely and efficiently. But robots aren't just about sensing their environment, they need to interact with it too. That's where actuators come in. These are the muscles of the robot world, the motors and mechanisms that make robots move and groove. From the intricate movements of a robotic arm to the smooth rolling of a robot on wheels, actuators are what bring robots to life. Think of the Mars rover, for example. It uses actuators to control its wheels, allowing it to move across the Martian surface. It also uses actuators to control its robotic arm, which it uses to collect samples and conduct experiments. Without actuators, the Mars rover would be just a very expensive paperweight. Now, remember how we talked about AI and machine learning making robots smarter? Well, hold on to your hats because things are about to get really wild. With the incredible advancements in AI, we're seeing a massive surge in robots with supercharged brains. These robots can recognize and process complex environments, learn from massive amounts of data, and make split-second decisions in real time. Imagine a robot working in a warehouse, sorting through thousands of packages. With AI, it can identify different packages, recognize their destinations, and sort them with incredible speed and accuracy. It's like having a team of super-efficient warehouse workers, all powered by AI. But robots aren't here to replace us. They're here to collaborate. Cobots, or collaborative robots, are designed to work side by side with humans, making workplaces safer and more efficient. These robots can handle repetitive tasks, heavy lifting, and even assist with delicate procedures. all while working in perfect harmony with their human counterparts. Imagine a factory where humans and robots work together, each focusing on their strengths. Robots could handle the repetitive tasks, like welding or assembly, while humans could focus on more complex tasks like quality control or problem solving. It's a perfect example of how robots and humans can work together to achieve amazing things. Hold on tight, because the future is autonomous. Thanks to mind-blowing advancements in sensors and navigation systems, we're seeing an explosion of autonomous vehicles and mobile robots. From self-driving cars navigating busy streets to delivery robots zipping through neighborhoods, these autonomous systems are changing the way we live, work, and play. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered right to your door by a robot. That's already a reality in some parts of the world, and it's just a glimpse of what's to come. With autonomous systems, the possibilities are limitless. Who says robots have to be big and bulky? We're entering the era of miniaturization and bio-inspired robotics. Think tiny robots inspired by insects, capable of navigating tight spaces, collecting data, and even performing delicate tasks. These incredible machines are opening up a world of possibilities in medicine, environmental monitoring, and exploration. Imagine a tiny robot that could be injected into your bloodstream to deliver medicine directly to a tumor, or a swarm of robots inspired by ants working together to clean up an oil spill. The possibilities with miniaturization and bio-inspired robotics are truly mind-boggling. But robots aren't just about rigid metal and circuits anymore. Get ready for the world of soft robotics. These robots are made of flexible, adaptable materials, allowing them to interact with the world in entirely new ways. Imagine robots capable of delicate tasks like assisting in surgery, handling fragile objects, and even providing companionship. Imagine a soft robot designed to assist with physical therapy. Its flexible body could provide support and resistance, helping patients regain mobility and strength. Or a soft robot used in search and rescue missions, able to navigate through rubble and debris to reach trapped survivors. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the incredible world of robotics. From the hardware and software that bring robots to life to the mind-blowing advancements in AI and autonomous systems, it's clear that robots are poised to transform our world in ways we can only imagine. As we continue to innovate, the potential for robotics to transform our world is limitless. From healthcare and manufacturing to transportation and exploration, robots are already making a difference in countless fields, but this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more exciting developments in the field of robotics. Who knows what the future holds? Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in technology and robotics. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure into the world of cutting-edge tech. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.